Crepey neck skin. Hi everybody. Today I want to tell you about a product and an ingredient that can help all of you who are watching this video because you saw the words Crepey Skin. Crepey skin is one of the side effects of aging, especially if you have not paid much attention to your neck when you applied your facial products, which is common. The neck shows the same signs of aging as the face if we don't take preventative action. You now see fine lines, deep wrinkles, neck ring lines. You know what they are? They look like a little, if you get a tan, they're white and they go across. Loss of hydration, loss of elasticity, and the infamous crisscross lines on your décolleté. There is help, but there are some very expensive products being advertised to mature women like us. They sound like miracle creams, and of course we want them, but as I said, they are extremely expensive. I just saw a commercial for a cream to address the crepe, and all it contained were some botanical ingredients like shea butter and beeswax, which would moisturize but not lift. There were a lot of other ingredients listed, but there were absolutely no lifting or firming ingredients. And it was one of those offers where you gave your credit card and they charged you $59.95 per month. And if you've ever given your credit card to one of these companies, you know that they will charge it monthly until you are screaming for them to stop. So if you have not done it, don't start. You should be able to purchase a product and see how it works without signing over your credit line. Now, the ingredient you want, what is it called? DMAE, dimethylaminoethanol. It is proven to lift and tighten sagging skin in the neck and jawline. Plastic surgeons use it on their patients, and I use it daily. And you are looking at an over 60 neck. Let's leave it there, 60 plus. DMAE is found in products that cost between $80 to over $200 per jar. But it's also found in the new Healthy Skin Lift in a Jar that costs just $35. All you do is apply it twice a day to your neck. Now you want to go up and along the jawline like this. And you don't need a lot. It's you're going to be tempted to slather it on, but you don't need to do that because it'll absorb into the skin. I also dab it on my lips and the tip of my nose. Why should anything sag, right? You can do your cheeks as well if you wish, wherever you want to lift. Watch for your results, but don't be impatient. The positive studies were analyzed after 18 weeks, but you should see improvement after about 35 days. Lift in a Jar, my favorite, also contains hyaluronic acid, so your neck will look really moist as you go along. I have a longer video on Crepey Skin that gives some other helpful hints for other areas of the body. If you want to watch it, I will put the link below. As always, I'm here to educate. So, if you find another DMAE product that looks good, email me and I'll help you analyze it. I'm on your side. Crepey Skin, be gone.